Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable data saving mode on Discord. Maybe you are someone who uses Discord on your mobile data and you want to significantly reduce your mobile data consumption. So today I'm going to show you how to enable data saving mode on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. On this user settings page, scroll up until the app settings section. Here, tap on this text and media option. In this page, scroll up again until the data consumption section. Here, you will now see the data saving mode option. You simply need to toggle the switch on to enable this feature. Once enabled, Discord will optimize your mobile data usage by reducing the quality of images, videos, and other media files. However, it will not affect the quality of video calls and chats. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable data saving mode on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable data saving mode on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.